What if I told you the Titanic was predicted 14 years before it sank? In 1898, author Morgan Robertson wrote a novel called Futility. The story featured a giant ship named Titan, the largest ever built and considered unsinkable. Just like the Titanic, Titan hit an iceberg in the North Atlantic in April and sank due to not enough lifeboats. But this wasn't a prophecy. Robertson was a naval expert who understood ship design and human overconfidence. Still, one of the most chilling coincidences in history.
Please give a like and subscribe and support small YouTubers like me.